festive season is here and we all want a glowing skin. So one way the best way is, of course, treat it from inside out. And for that, of course, we have to drink a whole lot of water. So take sips of water regularly through the day. The next thing is eat a lot of fruits and vegetables because they are full of minerals and vitamins, and they definitely help your skin and make it glow. The other thing from outside is things that you should not do is don't go to bed with your makeup on. That again definitely robs your skin of the glow. The next is you should, apart from not going to bed, you should not just, if your skin is dry, don't keep on applying cream and moisturizer and cream. You will have to layer your cosmetics, layer your skincare product. So apply a gel, then apply a serum. Then after the serum, you can apply a light moisturizing night cream, or you can use a light moisturizer and a sunscreen. You're going to during the day, and you're going to find that this by itself is going to give you a glow. Apart from that, use a few face packs. One of the face packs I recommend from our Aroma Magic